Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to use the DG-388At data logger. So this is the same as the DG-388, but this is the Bluetooth version. As you can tell, it's Bluetooth on the box. It is blue. The front screen is blue, and here's what's on the box. It shows wireless GPS data logger, and then the back are some specs. So what comes in the box is the main unit and a cable. So here's the main unit. As you can see now, the faceplate is blue, and then it comes with a charging cable that is USB to connect to your computer. So if you look on the box, it says for the user guide, please go to www.globalsat.com.tw. So first I'm gonna connect my Bluetooth to my computer. As you see, to remove the cap, you just twist it and it comes off, and then you line it up to connect the cable, and then you connect the USB to your PC. Then on your computer, you would go to their website, www.globalsat.com.tw. On the top bar, you will go to support, and then you can see down here it should say DG-388At. And then right here you can see the user manual, firmware update manual, and firmware. When you connect your device, it will take about a minute to turn on. As you can see, it made a USB drive. Minimize that for now. Okay, so right here on the support page, just go and click on user manual. So here's the user manual from their website. As you see, it has a table of contents, some warning, welcome, and it shows the introduction, the front, side, and back, what the LEDs mean on the device. It tells you to first charge the device before using it, the power button, how to use the DG-388 PC tool, which I will show later, and then it tells you the first step. So the first step is to turn on your device, or you can connect it and it will turn on automatically to your PC, and then it will tell you to download the DG-388 tool. So just copy and paste this to a new tab on your internet, as you see I have done here, and then you just download the file and it will open this. Just click download anyways. So I'm gonna do that right now. As you can see, it's downloading, and it'll show the application. Just double click the application to download the DG-388 PC tool. Press more info and run anyway. So these are the same steps as the regular DG-388 tool. Just click yes. So you will go through the process of installing it. Pick English if you speak English, then press OK. I accept and agree. Next. Create a desktop shortcut if you want one. Click next and install. So now it will install the DG-388 tool, same as the regular DG-388 version, and then finish. As you can see, this is the DG-388 tool. Right here, it will open the file D, which is the same file the DG-388At made when we connected it to our PC. From here, you can download the files with this green arrow. You can just select all of them or select individual ones you want, and then just click apply. And then you click here for all of them, or you can double click for individual, and then it should show up on the map on the right. You can also click this X to erase all the data, all the logs on your device. And then the last one is the device settings. So here you can change how the device logs. It can log by either time, by distance, or by your speed. So just pick the logging method you wish to use. You can change the time, how often, if it records by time, how far by distance, or how fast it's going, and then you just click apply, and then it will be set to your device. And you can also save the files via GSX, GPX, KML, CSV. So you can download the files, and instead of using this tool, you can use your own software and then load those files. And that's how you use the DG-388At with your PC. And since this is the Bluetooth version, I will show you how to use it on your phone. So we go back to the user manual, keep scrolling down, and see this shows you how to use the tool on your PC. So if you keep scrolling down, it should show you, in order to connect via Bluetooth, please download the Easy Connect app via App Store or the Play Google Store. So on my phone, the Play Store, and then search Easy Connect, and as you can see, Easy Connect is right here where it says Easy Connect. It has the same icon as it shows on the user manual. Once you download Easy Connect, it will show up right here. So disconnect your DG-388At, and then on your app, press Bluetooth pairing, and then you will just hold this until it turns blue. So hold it. As you can see, it turned blue, and now it showed up on the app. So you just click it on the Easy Connect app, in the GPS setting, and just as the tool on the PC, now you can do the settings on your phone via Bluetooth. So it is the same way. You can change time, distance, or speed, set how many seconds you want for time, or how far the distance, or how much the speed, and then you just simply click save. Right there, click save, and now you change the settings via Bluetooth instead of having to connect it to your PC. Now you can click here, data conversion, and you can download the files like that to your phone. So now on here, it shows you how to use the app as well, and then it shows that you can use these files on another app that you wish to use, for example as Relief. So on my phone, I downloaded Relief, and as you can see, it's right here. So for Relief, this is a third-party app. So you go Connect Tracker all the way down. As you can see, you can import files from your device. And as you can see, it downloaded this file from July 3rd, and then it shows it on the map that we were here. So now and then it will zoom in. So now instead of using the tool, instead of using this tool, you can use any app that you wish to use, right? You can change the settings here instead, and then instead of using this tool, you can use an app you wish to use, all via Bluetooth. And that's how you use the DG-388At from GlobalSat.